been seeing all your life. The one inside a dream, you repeat it every night. For 24 frames every second through the light, projected through the screen, you've been paying for despite what you see and what you hear, contrary to your sight. Everything you ever learned that you never had to live, might have heard from a storyteller medium. Pictures, words, scripture to cinema, script writing a verse. From this city emerges a new generation of babies who came out of the womb, glued to the tune with plans and aspirations to prove beyond doubt we are stars too, even if it's just cartoons. My animated hands that I got from the genes of my island native fam, I could never not be. I'm here to make them scream like a Hitchcock dame. Whether analog, digital, shit is all the same. An American tradition, a narrative for fiction, a Hamilton for tickets. The public is addicted. Just think for a second how much we've been conditioned to root for the doughboys, the old dogs, the bishops, sided with them villains in spite of all the heating. He said she gotta have it, she said she didn't need it, and even if she see it, she will probably